Hey guys, it's Victoria here, and today I have my Allure Beauty Box, the month of December. I know this is coming like really late because it's like literally New Year's Eve tomorrow, but I've just been so busy, but I really wanted to film it because one, I forgot that I was actually subscribed to this box still, and two, I think it's a really good box this month. So yes, I will leave the details about the box and subscribing and all that great stuff down below. If you like this type of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so the Allure Beauty Box comes in a red box like this. It just says Allure Beauty on it. So when I open it, the first thing I see is this. Now, if you could see that, that is a Jaclyn Hill. And I'm like, oh girl, what? Exclusive promo codes inside, what? So yes, this basically just talks about all the products that are inside the box. Also in here is a Bobble Bar gift, a little coupon, I guess, code for Bobble Bar, which is like a jewelry site. I'm not a big fan of jewelry, so I don't really wear much jewelry, so that's nice, but not for me. So let's go ahead and get into the actual products in the box, okay? The first thing in here is a Morphe brush, and this is like nice new packaging for Morphe. I'm sure everybody has seen that they've rebranded their site and whatnot, and you know, doing big things now that they're in Sephora. So this is one of their Morphe M433 brushes, and I think it's just like a blending brush. Yeah, I don't know if I have this brush. But yes, I do use Morphe brushes. They're okay. I don't think they're good for the price point. I will say that, but they're not like the best thing ever. Alright, so the next thing in here, which has to do with Miss Jaclyn Hill, is a small size of the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Champagne Pop, which looks like this. I do like Becca's highlighters. I actually have this in a set. The Jaclyn Hill Champagne Pop like set that has like 3 highlighters in it, so I will be passing this along. Yeah, so that's really good. The next thing is something I'm really excited to try. This is the Dior Show mascara. It's in a different language, so I'm struggling right now, but I am on the hunt for like an awesome mascara that just gives me that falsies effect, because I don't like to wear falsies all the time. So yes, this is the Dior Show, and it's just, let's look at the, ooh, okay, look at this wand. Wow. Okay, okay. So I will be excited to try that out. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so that's good. The next thing in here is from Oribe, and it's their Matte Waves texture lotion. Obviously I will be passing this on. I just did my braids. It was darker color. I don't know how I feel about it yet. So not something that I use. I haven't used anything from this brand because, again, they don't really make things for like my hairstyles. The next thing that's in here is this Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer. I believe I've had this before. I don't know if I've actually used it though. Maybe I have one over here. Do I have one here? Oh no, this is the Becca backlight. Okay, so I guess I don't have this. I don't know why for some reason I thought I had this. So I don't have this. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. And it has SPF 15 in it, so that's good. And the last thing is this Purity Made Simple face cleanser. I think I already have one of these I got from somewhere else. And yeah, so the things in the box this month were the face wash, the Dior mascara, the Morphe brush, the Hourglass, the Oribe, and the Champagne Pop. Now, what I will say about this box is like these are all, with the exception of like Morphe and Purity, very high-end brands. I believe this box is like 15 bucks. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that. Like I said, I will leave the info below. But I was excited by this box because I think this is like a lot of good stuff to try out. Like I said, I will give you my feedback, but yes, so yeah, that is my Allure Beauty Box for the month of December. If you have any questions about anything that I talked about, just let me know down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.